Hi, I'm Berkan. In this video, you'll learn about the error codes and how to fix them. Error code 04, throttle not functioning properly. Check if it's stuck or interfering with any other component. If it's not working, replace it. Error code 06, low voltage protection. Check if the battery needs recharging. Error code 07, high voltage protection. Check if the battery is functioning properly. If not, replace the controller. Error code 08, motor hole sensor error. For hub motor e-bikes, check if the wires are damaged or connected properly. If that doesn't fix it, replace the motor core. For dual drive e-bikes, you can perform a front to rear swap test. To fix error code 08, we will now perform a front to rear wheel swap test. The front wheel motor is connected to the rear wheel controller. If the front wheel motor is functioning, replace the rear wheel motor. If the front wheel motor is not functioning, replace the controller 1. Error code 68. To fix it, front wheel motor is connected to the rear wheel controller. If the front wheel motor is functioning, replace the controller 2. If the front wheel motor is not functioning, replace the front wheel motor. Error code 09, phase line motor error. To fix it, replug the motor wires. If the issue persists, replace the controller. If that doesn't work, replace the motor. Error code 10, controller overheat. To fix it, stop using the e-bike for 10 minutes to let it cool down, and then you can use it again. Error code 11, motor overheat. To fix it, stop using the e-bike for 10 minutes to let it cool down, and then you can use it. Error code 12, current sensor error. Check the position of the pedal assist sensor. Make sure it's working properly. Error code 15, controller's temperature sensor error. To fix it, replace the controller. Error code 21, speed sensor error. To fix it, replace the motor. Error code 30, communication error. Check if the controller wires are damaged. If that doesn't work, replace the controller.